is going to rotate from the right occipito-posterior position to the occipito-anterior positions.
Electrical activity is moving from superior to the inferior direction, from the SA node to the apex of the heart. In this direction, this is known as a frontal plane or a vertical plane.
My limbs were jerking, there was some uprolling of the eyeball, and I fell unconscious. This is nothing but a syncopal attack. Look at this, I am trying to breathe rapidly, hyperventilate. Hyperventilation is something which can provoke a syncopal attack.
Sensory nerve, the fibers from the carotid sinus will move in the 9th nerve. From the aortic arch is the 10th nerve.
So guys, lead poisoning inhibits two enzymes in this pathway. Number one is this ALA dehydratase, and number two parochylidase.
There are three catecholamines in the body: norepinephrine, which is a major neurotransmitter released at all sites; dopamine, which is a minor neurotransmitter; and epinephrine, which is a hormone. In epidemiology, relative risk must have been taught to you: incidence in exposed by incidence in non-exposed.
These activated macrophages will become into polygonal shaped cells, and such a polygonal shaped cell, macrophage,